Making wheels with a hole saw. Lay out your holes and center punch them. Bring the hole saw down so it's just above the table and set your depth. Now the first side, we'll drill it almost all the way through. Drilled almost all the way through. We want to lift the drill periodically. That'll loosen the wheel, make them easier to get out of there. Now we'll do the second side. You notice that the wheel is left sticking out, which makes it a lot easier to get out of the drill. And there's your wheel. We'll do the other one. There you are, nice wheels. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.